How Steve Jobs debugged his brain for creativity. Steve Jobs had a secret, a brain hack so powerful it helped him revolutionize multiple industries: computers, music, phones, even animation. But here's the wild part. Jobs wasn't the most technical guy at Apple. He didn't code. He didn't engineer. He had one unfair advantage, a way to hack his own mind for next-level creativity. And the best part? You can copy his code. In this video, we're breaking down 3 brain glitches that block creativity and how Jobs rewired his brain to think differently. And trust me, the last one, it's the single biggest creativity unlock you'll ever learn. Let's go. The beginner's brain hack. Brain glitch number 1, the expert trap. Here's the problem. When you get good at something, your brain stops questioning how things could be different. You start thinking inside the box without even realizing it. Steve Jobs hated this. Brain science. Neuroscientists call this cognitive entrenchment. The better you get at something, the harder it is to think outside the box. Your brain literally creates stronger neural pathways that make it harder to imagine new solutions. Jobs' hack? He trained himself to think like a beginner. Jobs believed that the best ideas come from outside your industry. That's why he studied calligraphy, which inspired the fonts on your computer. He obsessed over Zen Buddhism, which led to Apple's minimalist design. Brain hack you can use. Switch things up. If you're a designer, study music. If you're a writer, take an improv class. The more you expose your brain to random, unrelated ideas, the more creative connections you'll make. Comment below. What's one totally unrelated skill you could learn that might make you better at what you do? Section 2, the reality distortion hack. Brain glitch number 2, the logical filter. Most people filter their ideas too soon. Your brain automatically kills creative thoughts before they even have a chance. But Steve Jobs, he had what people called a reality distortion field. He believed that impossible was just an opinion. Brain science. Your brain is wired to default to what's realistic, a cognitive bias called functional fixedness. You see things as they are, not as they could be. Jobs overrode this by intentionally ignoring limits. That's how he pushed his teams to create things that seemed impossible: the iPhone, the iPod, Pixar's CGI animation. Brain hack you can use. Try the what-if method. Instead of saying, that won't work, ask yourself, what if I had unlimited time and money? What if I had to solve this problem in 24 hours? What if I was a kid? How would I see this differently? By removing limits in your mind, you force your brain to think beyond its default settings. Quick challenge. Take a problem you're stuck on and write down 3 what-if questions. You might be shocked at what you come up with. Section 3. The brain glitch number 3, the input problem. Your brain is overloaded. Ever feel like you're stuck in a creative rut? Like no good ideas are coming? It's not because you're not creative. It's because your brain is full of junk. Brain science. Your brain is constantly processing information: texts, emails, social media, news. But here's the kicker. Too much input kills original thinking. Steve Jobs understood this better than anyone. That's why he was obsessed with simplicity. He wore the same outfit every day, eliminated distractions, and took long walks to let his brain clear out the noise. Brain hack you can use. Digital detox. Shut off all inputs, social media, notifications, for an hour a day. Boredom boost. Let yourself get bored. Science shows boredom actually increases creative thinking. Go for a walk. Jobs held his most important meetings while walking, because walking literally boosts brain function. Try this. Next time you feel stuck, step away from the screen. Your best ideas come when you're not trying to think. Steve Jobs wasn't a genius because he was born different. He was a genius because he hacked his mind to think differently. So, now it's your turn. Which of these brain hacks blew your mind the most? Drop a comment. I want to hear your thoughts. And if you want more neuroscience-backed hacks to upgrade your brain, hit that subscribe button and let's rewire your mind for success. I'll see you in the next one.